You know, say obedient and they dey very clueless of what is really happening in politics. Now, this whole INEC and ADC matter, they see people they post rubbish, they talk nonsense thing. Tinubu this, Tinubu that, Tinubu this, Tinubu that. So, make I explain am to una like small pikin. Then I go understand what they really happen for ADC and INEC. Okay? So now, ADC, a political party, just like the way APC and PDP and Labour Party did. Okay? Two people for ADC, David Mark and Bala Gombe, they fight for who be the original party chairman. This you know, David Mark say na him be the real chairman. Gombe say na him be the real chairman. Oh, now what? So they go carry the matter go court. As they carry the matter go court, court say we still decide who be the real leader of ADC. So for now, make nobody change anything. Make them not change any document or anything for the matter. But we never decide who be the real leader of the ADC. Say make everything, all the documentation of the party, dey the way then dey before fight starts. Before the fight starts. Okay? So yeah, INEC come. INEC need to put because now party something INEC go dey interested. So INEC come say okay, what this matter? Make we look into this matter. Because you know say na INEC like they keep the record of every political party from your ward chairman, your LGA chairman, your state chairman, regional chairman, and national chairman, and all the schools. Now INEC they keep the record. INEC be like prefect for school. INEC now they keep the record. David Mark side write letter give INEC. Make INEC no recognize Gombe as the national chairman. Then Gombe come write letter give INEC say make INEC follow the court order. Then remove David Mark them from the system. They hear me or listen to. When they go right, INEC call the confuse. This person don't bring, this person don't bring. What you go do now? INEC talk say okay, we need to take a final say on this matter. We consign ADC, which is David Mark and Bala Gombe. With INEC talk, INEC talk say okay, because of wetin dey happen, they say we no go choose anybody. We no go choose David Mark. We no go choose Bala. Reasons be that the court never finished the case. The case still dey court. So we no go choose anybody as the chairman. They can't say then go back the way things been day before the fight start between Bala and David Mark. I mean, INEC talk. And they can't still say they no go attend or recognize any meeting. INEC talk is that they no go attend ADC primaries or recognize ADC primary as legal. Whether na from David Mark side or na from Bala Gombe side, they no go attend any of the primaries or recognize any of them. And primaries na the main thing where political party they do to carry so how they call them, a convention na the main thing to carry get their new leadership, new chairman, new everything in preparation to their primaries. If INEC no attend, recognize that thing is invalid. I think that INEC don't talk. INEC can still say then go remove all the current names of leaders from ADC where they their records, and they go remove everybody come out. That is all those for INEC now. ADC no get leadership. They don't come out all the names they come out. You understand? So the final thing is that David Mark and Bala they argue who be the leader of the party. They carry the matter go court. Court say make una wait, make we really find out the truth about this matter. INEC say okay, in that case, make we come out the people name where they yourself. Make we wait for court to give the final decision. Now INEC don't do, but no forget, we just get few days, few weeks to their convention. We go lead to them installing leadership. We go prepare towards the party's primary against the 2027 election. Now, as usual, they say, hey, na president, na Tinubu, don't use INEC chairman, they want to scatter the party, want to disorganize the party, blah, 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 blah. Hello, sir. It's called politics. Use what you have to get what you want. Make one set on a compass too. Obedient. I don't explain and give on how. That's why I will help on the explain things because on a 2 day clueless about politics. Anyway, I see one no understand, I go find and come out, I go break and I go explain and for I'm not gonna understand. But just know that there is no emotion attached to it. It is called politics.